Hi everyone, David here. Okay, picture this. Yesterday, I decided to do just a quick workout. You know, the usual. A few push-ups, some squats, and a heroic attempt at lifting weights that were probably meant for superheroes. I felt great afterward. I strutted around like a fitness champ. But then, the next morning, I woke up, tried to sit up, and my muscles screamed, "What have you done?" Every step felt like I was walking on invisible Lego bricks. You know that sore, achy, stiff feeling after exercise? Yup, that's what we're talking about today. So why does this happen? Well, here's the thing. When you exercise, especially if you're trying something new or pushing harder than usual, your muscles actually get tiny microscopic tears. Don't worry, this isn't bad. In fact, it's exactly how you get stronger. Imagine your muscles like stretchy ropes. When you challenge them, you're pulling those ropes beyond their usual length, and little frays form along the fibers. Your body sees this and goes, "All right, team, repair mode." It sends in nutrients, proteins, and repair cells to patch up those micro tears. And here's the cool part. When the fibers heal, they become thicker and tougher than before. That's literally how muscle building happens. Now, the soreness you feel isn't actually immediate. If you've noticed, you don't usually feel sore right after working out. It often hits 12 to 24 hours later. That's something called DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. Fancy name, right? Basically, it's your body's way of reacting to all those tiny changes and the inflammation that comes with repairing the muscle fibers. And nope, lactic acid isn't the real villain here. That's a common myth. Lactic acid does build up during intense exercise, but your body clears it out pretty quickly after you stop. The real reason for that stiff, sore feeling is the microscopic damage and the repair process that follows. Think of it like renovating a house. You tear some things down, rebuild them stronger, but during the construction, it's a bit messy and uncomfortable. That's your body post-workout. Here's something fun. You can actually reduce soreness a bit by cooling down properly, stretching, or doing light movement the next day. But honestly, some soreness is just part of the game. It's your muscles saying, "Hey, we worked hard. Give us a minute to level up." So the next time you're walking funny after leg day, just remember, it's not weakness, it's progress.